Find features that distinguish it from other brands for HaisuLume 100W LED Logo GOBO Projector and why you should choose. Because it consists of the following features. Powerful 100W LED with remote control. The HaisuLume GOBO projector features a powerful 100W LED, ensuring bright and vivid projections. Use the remote control to easily switch between fixed and rotating displays and manage the lights on/off function effortlessly. Free Custom Glass GOBO Lens. Enjoy a complimentary Custom Glass GOBO lens with your projector. Simply submit your design in PDF, AI, or PNG format to HaisuGobo@outlook.com, and we'll create a tailored lens to showcase your brand. High-quality optical lens for crystal clear projections. Designed with a premium optical lens, this projector guarantees sharp and clear image quality, making your logos and designs pop, even in large settings. IP67 waterproof rating for all weather use. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, this projector is suitable for outdoor events and can withstand rain and dust, ensuring reliable performance in any weather conditions. Versatile for factory safety signage and large outdoor projections. Perfect for projecting clear safety signage in factories and delivering impactful, large-scale projections at outdoor events. The HaisuLume projector also enhances brand visibility in hotels, stores, weddings, and celebrations. Built for both indoor and outdoor use, its durable design ensures high performance in diverse environments, making it a reliable choice for various applications. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.